Hi. How are you, man?
Hi. Just fine.
What happened? You sound so low.
You know we have test on Thursday. More than the test. I am worried about how to find it on Microsoft Teams, buddy.
For this, you're worried. Did you see the tutorial video that Sir has sent?
Thank God. Let me check.
Hello. Follow these instructions. Click on the link. Wait for the questions to load. Click the right option. Once done, press the submit button. It's time. Let's start.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Find your team. Click on your team name. That will take you to the general section. From here, you have two ways to find your test. Number 1, in the general section. Click on the Post tab. I repeat, the Post tab. Then, in the assignment post below, find your test. Click on View Assignment. That will take you to the test page. Option number 2. In the General section, look for the Assignment tab and click on it. I repeat, look for the Assignment tab and click on it. That will load the assignment page. There, find the test you are supposed to give. Now click on 3 dots. Yes, 3 dots on the test. Now click Open in Teams. That will load the test page. Test page will take a little time to load. Patience is the key, guys. Now, the test page is fully loaded. Now start answering the questions. Look for the right option and click on it. Once done, click on the Submit button. Click on View Results. To check your score, on the top right corner, you will see your score. Good luck. Hope it was helpful.
Thank you so much.
Friendship May. No sorry, no thanks. Now stop worrying. Start preparing for the test.
You are my savior. Bye-bye.
Bye.